sweetie.
Oh,
Rotating.
I tried
Two
to
more.
help, I'm sorry.
god damn it.
Two going in.
I hit him for 84. They're going A.
Grenade out.
I only saw 2. I don't know what
There's
the
a
other one
kit mid. Get my kit mid. Sandbags.
Alright, I'm a one-shot this fool though. 1v1 arena.
is. Just like quad or something.
He's quad.
Alright, bro, you and me. Let's go.
Probably forklift, probably quad.
Forklift looks clear.
You guys kind of have to push.
He's got a kit.
50 HP.
You're too good for him.
You got it!
Good job, man. You got it.
That.
I'm defusing the bomb.
That's my nig.
That kit call. I take the W for that one.
Good shit, dude.
That's a team effort right there. Yeah, is your heart pounding or what?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, mine too.
Fucking love this game, dude. I've been out of it for like 4 or 5 years, but.
Let's go, people. Deploying decoy.
Hello?